Hey there, beautiful superhumans. Happy Friday. I have a few quick announcements for you. Number one, I am all in this weekend. If there's anything you need, if I can be supportive, I'm right at your fingertips. Just give me a quick call, text or email. Get back to you as quick as I can if I don't pick up. Also, want to let you know that we have a team meeting Tuesday morning, 10 o'clock. I hope you can join us for that. Put that on your calendar, please. I want to remind you that Wednesday, we're postponing the workshop that we would normally do. And I'm inviting you and all of our team members to join us at the HAR brunch at the Do-Si-Do Big Barn. Starts networking and registration starts at 9, breakfast at 9:30. I have the sign up link in BackAgent on the calendar. So if you go to the calendar, click on Wednesday, you can click on that link and then sign up. It's free for HAR members. So that's going to be very interesting. Also, the guest speaker is going to cover video, which you know is the huge wave that we're riding into success this year. It's going to be on video, stories, and apps. So join me for that. And then Thursday, I want to remind you that we have the Better Homes and Gardens trainers coming in to conduct a listing presentation education workshop, which is at Northgrove, 9:30 on Thursday. You can sign up on BackAgent for that as well. Hey, our market is awesome. It's prime. It's ready for the hardworking agents like us who are out there doing what we need to do to make things happen. You want to get all your video text messages out there to collide with opportunity. Basically, what we're seeing is listings in the very low 500s, below 520. If you subtract the 20 plus new homes from that, that means the resale listings for sale in all price ranges is under 500. And sales in January are going to be just a little slightly ahead of last year. So sales nice and strong, listing inventory down 20%. Opportunity for you and I and our team members up 1,000% if we're taking action. Do anything for you? Don't hesitate to call on me. I appreciate you. I'll talk to you later. Thanks a lot.